Hello, Cascade Elementary families. I am Dan Wendler, the Cascade Elementary principal, and I'm making a tutorial video that's hopefully going to help you with our upcoming parent-teacher conferences. So due to COVID-19, we're still not allowed to have guests in the building. So we're going to be using an application called Microsoft Teams to conduct our parent-teacher conferences. If your phone is the device that you prefer to use for these conferences, the easiest thing for you to do is to go into your app store and download the Microsoft Teams application. If you do that, once you get the link emails from your teacher or from the school, you'll be able to click that and it'll open the app up right on your phone. We also want to give you a couple other options for how you can access the parent-teacher conference this year. So the next option would be to use a computer device. Now, once again, if you have a Windows computer, you could download the Microsoft Teams application to your computer, and when you click the link, it will load Microsoft Teams. We're going to show you another way that would allow you to access it without having to download the application of Microsoft Teams onto your computer. So go to the Western Dubuque Community School District homepage. You're going to go over here to Staff. Go down to Office 365 and click that. So the way that we're doing this right now is you're going to be logging in with your child's email account, which all the teachers have provided you. It's the same kind of login that we use for platforms like It's Learning. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use my daughter's login information to show you how to do that. So it's first 3 digits of the last name, first 3 digits of the first name at wdbqschools.org. Once you have your username in, hit next, and it's going to come up to a password. So your teachers have provided you, it didn't ask for a password because I practiced a little bit ago, but you'll type in that password and this is the screen that's going to come up to. So it should say good afternoon, good evening, and then have your child there. To access this, we're going to go to Outlook, which is your child's email here at school. And you will have a link from your child's teacher to the conference. So this is a whole school video. So Mrs. Kloss is the teacher who I will be conferencing with today. When I click that email, this is a link right here that says join Microsoft Teams meeting. And there will also be a tiny URL which will get you to that same place. The reason we have that is for phone-based versions to be able to access it. So I'm going to go ahead and click Microsoft Teams meeting. And it's going to come up and it's going to give me 3 options. Now, if I downloaded the Windows application for Microsoft Teams, I could click that and go directly into the meeting. If you don't want to download the application, you can click this button right here, which is continue on this browser. So when I click that, it's going to continue and it's going to take me into the meeting, hopefully. Okay, so now I've arrived at the meeting for the conference. Now, Mrs. Kloss might be in a conference with another family. So when I click join now, it's going to take me to a waiting room. And then once I'm in the waiting room, if I were a little bit early, Mrs. Kloss, when she's ready for our conference, will click join. So there's Mrs. Kloss. She can wave to the camera. And this is how we will conduct the conference. When the conference is over, then you can go ahead and hang up. The purpose of the lobby for this video or for these conferences is for privacy. So we want to have one link that families are able to use, but then make sure that we ensure privacy for all families. So as we get nearer to parent-teacher conferences, you are going to be getting some communication that's going to come not only from your teacher, but from the school through our Infinite Campus Messenger, and also through text message that's going to give you links to the Microsoft Teams parent-teacher conference. And hopefully this video is helpful in getting you prepared for that by either downloading the app on your phone, downloading the app on your computer, or logging in through your child's email to access the web version of the parent-teacher conference. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers or to myself. We are here to help you as we take on a new challenge, which is virtual parent-teacher conferences. Take care, and we look forward to hearing from you.